In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Fresha with Google Calendar. By the end, your Fresha appointments will appear alongside everything else in your Google Calendar, helping you avoid double bookings and making your schedule easier to manage from any device. First, sign in to your Fresha account on desktop or mobile. A modern browser works best on desktop, and the latest version of the app is recommended on mobile. If you're part of a team, make sure you have permission to manage workspace settings so you can complete the sync. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile picture to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose My Profile. On mobile, if you don't immediately see your profile picture, open the main menu and select My Profile from there. This takes you to your personal settings where you can access the workspaces linked to your account. On the left-hand menu, find Workspaces. Click it to see a list of the workspaces you belong to. If you work across multiple locations or businesses, double-check you're selecting the correct one. Next, click Manage on your workspace. If you don't see a Manage button, you may need to switch to a workspace where you have the appropriate role, or ask an admin to grant access. Inside the workspace settings, look for the Calendar Sync section. This is where you connect Fresha to your external calendar, so your bookings flow out to Google Calendar. Click Sync a Calendar. At this point, you'll be guided through connecting a calendar service. Choose Google when prompted. You may be asked to sign in to your Google account and grant permission so Fresha can add events to your calendar. Make sure you select the exact Google account and target calendar you want to use, especially if you manage multiple calendars. After you confirm the connection, give the sync a moment to initialize. It's a good idea to open your Google Calendar and check that your upcoming Fresha appointments begin to appear. If you don't see anything right away, refresh your calendar view or wait a few minutes, as initial syncing can take a short while. Also confirm your time zone in both Fresha and Google Calendar, so appointment times match perfectly. If you ever need to change which calendar you're syncing to, return to the same calendar sync area in Fresha to review or update the connection. That's it. With this setup complete, your schedule stays consistent, your team stays aligned, and you save time switching between apps.